Hey guys, my name is Maria LoBalsamo. I help network marketers, affiliate marketers, entrepreneurs, course creators create a successful business online so that they can live a free and happy, fulfilled lifestyle. I started my network marketing journey a few years back, and then I moved into affiliate marketing and things of that nature. But through that process, there was a lot of learning curves that I really had to get a handle on, and it took me a bit to really do that. And so what I wanted to do is I wanted to create my own group, and I wanted to take information that I learned and I wanted to put it together so that I could help speed up this learning curve process for you so that you can become successful faster and make money quicker than I did. I did take some, invested in myself and did take some courses and things like that I paid for. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to take it and I wanted to put it together and I wanted to put it in a group so that I could offer value to other people on how to build a successful business online and different Facebook strategies to use to create that. So this group is going to revolve around getting massive engagement, building a highly engaged targeted audience on Facebook without using paid ads, okay? So if you think that that's something that you're interested in, please click the button and join my free mastermind group. Again, we're going to talk about getting engagement and getting you leads and sales in any business. So I hope that you click the button below, and I hope that we see you on the inside at the Vault with Maria LoBalsamo.